welcome to my channel. How you all doing? Hope you're all fine. I always say that, don't I? Today we're in Holders Woods, which is next to Cannon Hill Park, and I've made a grid actually, just on one of these stumps, tree stumps in the woods, and we're just doing some positive energy in the area with this one. And I have got my unicorn deck, but I haven't made the unicorn grid today. I just forgot to change decks, but it's this one, so it's quite good. It's not really unicorn themed, it just has unicorns on the cards, whereas the other deck that I've got from Dinah Cooper, it's more themed with the unicorns because the exercise that you do is with the unicorns. Excuse me. So if you want to get a tea on, get the kettle on, get a drink, sit down, we'll do an oracle. I need to have a quick drink because my voice is breaking up. And I've just done some dancing in the woods. It's fantastic for bringing your vibration up. So I've done some dancing for my... Oops, it's good for bringing your vibration up and also releasing trauma. So I've done this dance for my other channel. If you don't know the other channel, it's more like a music channel, and I do light codes. It's called I'm getting mixed up with my TikTok now. What's it called? The Crystal Grid Locker. But it's more like symbols and sacred geometry, like graphics. It's hard music, like hard trance music, techno, that sort of thing. It's just another way of getting the symbols out. I sometimes do light language in there. I do light language symbols, drawing, writing, and sometimes I do the grids as well in there, just show the grids that I've done. It's just like a short video, it's like 5 minutes with trance music, so just to reach, it's a different way of reaching people that don't normally go on spiritual channels, and also it's a more chilled way as well of excuse me, more relaxing way approach to spirituality. I did have a break from it for about a couple of months, so I should be going back because I wanted to concentrate on this channel, get all the playlists done and things like that, do some more shorts for this channel, and but I think everything's settling down on this channel now, so I'll be able to do some work on the other channel. But sometimes it's a bit, I'm not in the mood to like listen to the, I love the music, gets me all hyper and it helps it bring your vibration up, but sometimes it's a bit draining listening to the music. It's not for all the time, you do need some peaceful times as well, but it's very good, it's upbeat. If that's the sort of thing you're into, that's fine. If you're not, no problem. There's just something that you might want to look at, something different. So that's the grid, the Crystal Grid Locker. And my TikTok, I do like a minute videos or even less on TikTok. That's what made me do the shorts actually on this channel, because I thought I could probably help the channel by doing a few short videos, because a lot of people haven't got a very long time span these days to watch a proper video, so it's good to get the codes out there, positive codes for our ascension. So yeah, the TikTok channel is Gridlocker1, but I've got that listed in my description of the channel, if you forget what I said. And I've got Instagram as well on there, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think that's all listed in my description of the channel. So it's so windy today. Right, that's done the trick. So I don't think I'll be doing my incense. Excuse me. It probably won't be able to light it. So let's see what message we've got for today. So kindness has fell out, so I'm not going to do that because I did that not long ago. But keep that in mind as something that we need. Let's see what else we've got. No. Got a dog looking at me. He's wondering whether to come over. So 2 have come out, but I'm only going to do 1. So we've got beginning. It says, this could be the beginning of something beautiful. You'll never know what you can achieve if you never try. And I like that. I think we'll do that one. And the other one's prioritise. It says, what do you want? What are your priorities? Focus on the outcome you desire, and the motivation you require will come. So very positive. But that looks fantastic. I love that. Beautiful. It's a Pegasus actually. It's black Pegasus by the looks with wings. Wonderful. Let's have a look what it says. So this is the only thing I don't like about this deck. It's hard to find the cards. You have to look in the content for the card. It's not numbered. Let's have a look. Can't see. Yeah, this wastes time. This does. It's right at the end. No wonder. Number 43. It's quite dark. So this card brings happy news of a new beginning. New beginnings bring new life and the birth of a new idea and realities. Imagine a new reality coming to fruition. A new job, career, relationship, new life in a different location, a fresh start. It's time to shake off all the cobwebs and preconceived ideas of who you are or should be. You are being presented with an opportunity to start again without judgment or fear of disapproval. You are free to express yourself. Imagine you have what? A white canvas and a palette of different bright colours. What would you paint? Watch the tripod doesn't fall down. Where was we? What would you paint? Would you take your time and plan your painting, or would you follow your intuition and painting the moment. Need more drink. This is your chance to give life to your dreams. Breathe in everything you want to change and exhale knowing that they are now in the past. This card can also symbolise a new birth in the family, a new friendship blossoming, or a new pet member joining your family. So it's basically it's like new beginnings. I'll have to have another tea. So the light language, what will we do in the light language? New beginnings, new energy. Might be good. See what crystals I've got. I've got my Lemurian seed actually. I'll do a little bit with that. Sorry guys, I've got to have a drink. I'm really dry. Oh, I got pyrite. I've got sun capture as well. Here's a lovely grid. Oh, beautiful. Got the star sending out some beautiful rays. So we have Angel Aura, Ice Calcite, another Angel Aura Tumblestone. All these are Selenite and Pink Aura. Got the Merkaba star in the middle. My dragon. So the grid is actually for placing positive energy into the area. It also will assist us with positive energy for our light body. Beautiful. I activate this grid to place positive energy in the area and to assist us with our light body. Beautiful. that's a tune up of the chakras with the colour code. So colour rays, it helps to cleanse the chakras out so that we can start our new beginnings. So thank you for joining me today. Namaste. Thank you for your likes, comments and shares, and I'll see you all soon.